Welcome to City Personnel's Job Search Tips of the Week. When applying to an opening online, make sure that you're not applying to the same company multiple times within a week. Unless you're applying to a company that has numerous recruiters, the odds are the same hiring manager will see your application for the multiple roles you applied for, and it could potentially hurt your chances at receiving an interview. To help prevent this, stay organized and create an Excel document with the list of companies, job titles, and dates of your applications. This way, you can make sure you're not applying to the same company numerous times. The second tip this week is to create a professional voicemail. The last thing you'll want is an employer calling and hearing an unprofessional voicemail.
Hey, this is Brian. Leave me a message after the beep, and I will text you back when I get a chance. Hey, this is Brian. I'm sorry that I missed your call. Please leave me a detailed message, and I'll be sure to return your call as soon as I can.
And for the last tip this week, practice the drive to the interview. Head to the location a day before to see how much travel time you'll need to get to the interview early. For more tips like these, visit our website at citypersonnel.net. Good luck on your job search.